Do you want to know how you can hide your likes count on threads? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can hide your likes count on threads. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Now, tap on your profile, which you can see on the bottom right hand corner, and tap on settings, which you can see on the top corner. Go to privacy and you can see hide likes and share counts. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see right now your hide has been enabled. Now if you want to hide your likes, click on this button over here. So turning it on, you will now hide your likes count, like and share counts on threads. Let me show it to you once again, guys. All you need to do is open Threads on your phone, tap on your profile, which is on the bottom right hand side, tap on your profile on the top right hand side and go to privacy. Now click on hide like and share counts, and if this is disabled, enable it, and then your likes and shares will be hidden now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.